Welcome travelers, Kevin Moody, Moody's Ozarks Traveler here, and we're outside the main pavilion for the Ozarks Mini Maker Faire. And I'm out here today because I love making. And we're going to go in, we're going to look at the main pavilion and just do a little walkthrough, let you see some of the booths that are on display in there right now.
LED light circuit cards, and inside there is a circuit, and it shows kind of like the positive and the negative side, and this is taped closed, but there's a battery. There was a battery here, and you could push it to turn it on. See?
Cool.
It teaches kids about how electricity and circuits work.
Awesome. And is this for Pipkin Pirates?
Yes.
All right.
Making the infinity stones out of these flat marbles, as well as taking apart a workman's glove to put into it. Okay. But you know what? The final product is a wearable glove that does light up. Oh, no way. So that's crushing your imagination.
Over here we have some conductive dough, and we can see we're making circuits with it. It's real safe because it's just 9 volts, so it's really not that big a deal, but it's real easy to
So now that you get it all rolled out, okay,
take 2 things and
put this back. See these 2?
let's see here.
So take these 2 and put them like this. And
Power that, or you power an LED. Where's one of our LEDs?
now take it and we'll just put it
And if I can get it to bridge there, because
in the dough, and it should light up.
There you go. There's a couple
Put
here.
a light on it. There you go.
and then over here, what we have is sodium polyacrylate, and actually this is what goes into a diaper.
Okay.
And it absorbs a lot of water, and so this is mostly water. It starts out as actually it's probably a couple tablespoons of powder in here, and mostly water. And here we can see we got a very similar polymer that has absorbed a whole bunch of water.
It's a masterpiece.
And if it starts out, one of these little beads becomes one of these big spheres.
Okay. By the absorption of water.
Just from absorbing water.
Cool.
Over here, we have, this is just Elmer's glue and borax. And
Say that again.
Elmer's glue and borax. And this just comes together to make another polymer that, as you can see, you can if you move it really fast, oops, it breaks.
Yeah.
But if I let it sit there, it'll start to flow. And all that is a variable resistor that feeds into an Arduino, which gives it a pitch to play. And then over here, but these are some of the sensors that we build at Brewer Science, and this will change resistance depending upon how far you flex it. And so you use it as a sensor. And this is a temperature sensor. So, and all of this is done here in Springfield at Brewer Science. And that's our Rolla office. Our other one has our Springfield office. Most of our sensors are still prototypes, so we don't really sell those. Most of our income actually comes from microelectronics. We make chemicals for photolithography that go into microelectronics. You probably have some of our chemicals in your pocket.
Okay.
Maybe even on that camera.
Well, this is a demonstration with Drury University, and it looks like they have a farm of 3D printers here.